Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaica, we're coming, baby love. That's Rihanna ahead of the Fenty launch. In an exciting Instagram post on Monday, Fenty Beauty revealed that it's bringing its popular line to Jamaica, saying, "We heard you, fam. Bad gal Riri, she's bringing Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin to Jamaica." The Rude Boy singer, who paid tribute to Jamaica in her announcement with a video of her nails painted in the island's national colors, reshared the exciting news on her Instagram story. Rihanna's cosmetics and skincare empire will officially launch in April. This follows the brand's debut in 9 other Caribbean countries in October. During a launch event in Barbados, she promised Jamaican fans that the products will be available soon, adding that we're gonna get something special too. Can't wait. Jamaica Bartender Expo celebrates our heritage through its cocktails. Whether it's being enjoyed on the rocks or neat, many Jamaicans enjoy a sip, but a responsibility for those in the industry. This past weekend, the Jamaica Bartender Expo delivered an unforgettable masterclass showcasing the island's dynamic cocktail scene, remarkable talent, and the passion of its bartending community while promoting responsibility from its players. Held at the Police Officers Club in Kingston, the event featured 8 bartenders competing for the title of Jamaica's top bartender. The competition was intense, with participants judged on factors like taste, balance, presentation, and originality, with the challenges pushing them to craft a signature cocktails using Jamaican ingredients. After an exhilarating showdown, Najee Basco, a bartender from Steakhouse on the Veranda in Kingston, was crowned Jamaica's top bartender.
From last year, September, I've been bleaching on this event, stating that whether or not I'm competing or just a patron that just wanted to be here. So the time came along where I got the invitation, went through the preliminary rounds quite smoothly, came here, wasn't expecting to win, I just wanted to be in the top 3, honestly. So hearing that I was the top bartender of Jamaica, it was an overwhelming feeling.
Among Basco's prizes announced by J. Ray and Nephew Managing Director Daniel Caron is a 1-year internship contract with a renowned spirits company. Samara South, Public Affairs and Government Relations Manager at J. Ray and Nephew, spoke to partnering with the venture to amplify the brand's responsible pouring campaign.
Part of the Ray and Nephew Campari Academy, that's one of the skills that we're teaching, that if somebody comes to you, they should enjoy responsible. So you don't need to give them something that's going to make them have a bad experience. The experience is important, and so it's important for the bartenders to be responsible when they're preparing a drink for the customers.
Adding to the excitement of the evening, Kelly Shane and Kevin of Voicemail made special appearances.
And if you're feeling naughty, just come on, girl, get with the flow.
Call me anytime you're ready, forever, but till then, promise you want my brother there.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.